2 दिन के बाद, आज से 2 दिन के बाद मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे.
Days after walking out of jail and during his first visit to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters since, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday said he would resign in the next 2 days and occupy the Chief Minister's chair, and I quote, only after people elect him again. However, if he resigns, it will not be the first time Kejriwal does so. So let's go back to 2014. The Delhi Assembly elections of 2013, the results of which were announced on December 8 that year, threw up a hung verdict with the BJP emerging as the single largest party, winning 31 seats in the 70-member House. The AAP, which made its electoral debut, won 28 seats while the Congress was restricted to 8 and other parties won 3 seats. The BJP, which was invited by the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung to form the government, declined the offer even as the three parties, Congress, BJP and AAP, ruled out alliances with each other. Jung then invited the AAP to form the government, following which Kejriwal wrote to the BJP as well as the Congress seeking clarity on 18 issues. While the BJP declined support, the Congress reportedly agreed on 16 of the 18 issues and extended outside support to the AAP, paving the way for Kejriwal to be sworn in as the Delhi Chief Minister on December 28 in 2013. Now, 49 days after assuming power, Kejriwal resigned as the Chief Minister on February 14, 2014, citing the non-introduction of the Jan Lokpal Bill in the Assembly, following which President's rule was imposed in Delhi and the House was kept in suspended animation. After stepping down as Chief Minister, Kejriwal unsuccessfully contested the 2014 Lok Sabha polls from Varanasi against then BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi and lost by a margin of 3.71 lakh votes. In the run-up to the elections, Kejriwal was a victim of 2 ink attacks even as eggs were hurled at his vehicle during campaigning in Varanasi. In the run-up to the 2015 Assembly polls, Kejriwal repeatedly apologized to the people for stepping down, terming his 49-day tie-up with the Congress as an honest mistake. Ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Kejriwal met the auto rickshaw driver who had slapped him during a roadshow while accusing the former Delhi Chief Minister of being a liar. The driver, Lali, was seen apologizing to Kejriwal and said he had resorted to the act as he was angry with Kejriwal for leaving the government in a few days. He also faced attacks from the supporters of his mentor, Anna Hazare, while campaigning in Haryana in April 2014. Just ahead of the Assembly polls in February 2015, he apologized again, saying many people across Delhi felt that AAP's action have let them down. And then AAP stormed to power, winning 67 of the 70 seats, reducing the BJP to only 3 seats. The Congress, which lost power nationally months earlier in the national elections, failed to even open its account. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.